Ever pondered why some YouTube videos rake in millions of views while others struggle to break 100? It's a common question, and today we're going to unravel the mystery with 17 proven strategies to boost your YouTube views. First on the list, use buggy thumbnails. This stands for blue, orange, green, and yellow. These colors stand out against YouTube's red and white color scheme, instantly catching the eye. Next, consider copying a proven video description template. The right description can boost SEO, provide viewers with valuable information, and make your content more shareable. Third, boost your video title click-through rate. Craft compelling descriptive titles that give potential viewers a clear idea of what to expect from your video. Fourth, aim to get more suggested video views. YouTube's algorithm suggests videos based on what the viewer has previously watched. So creating content that aligns with popular trends can help your video appear in this coveted spot. Fifth, use the MVC formula for video tags, which stands for main keyword, variations, and category. This formula can help improve your video's searchability. Sixth, share videos on Quora, Reddit, and forums. These platforms are excellent for reaching a larger audience and driving traffic to your YouTube channel. Seventh, aim to rank your videos in Google search. This can be achieved by optimizing your video content, descriptions, and tags for SEO. Eighth, optimize videos for comments, likes, and subscribes. Engaging with your viewers and encouraging them to interact with your videos can significantly boost your views. Moving on to the ninth strategy, improve your channel's session time. YouTube rewards channels that keep viewers on the platform for longer. 10th, optimize your end screen for views. This is your last chance to direct viewers to more of your content, so make it count. 11th, master YouTube SEO fundamentals. Understanding how to optimize your videos for YouTube's search engine can dramatically increase your views. 12th, use eye-catching playlist titles. This can encourage viewers to watch more of your content in one sitting. 13th, feature your videos on your blog. This can help drive traffic from your blog to your YouTube channel. 14th, share video clips on social media. This can help you reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your videos. 15th, upload videos when your audience is on YouTube. Understanding your audience's viewing habits can help you schedule your uploads for optimum viewing. 16th, employ the card bridge technique. This involves using YouTube cards to guide viewers to your other content. 17th, aim to get featured on the YouTube homepage. This is a great way to reach a larger audience and boost your views. And as a bonus, always double down on what works. If you notice a certain type of content or strategy is getting more views, focus on that. The second bonus is to use the Community tab preview. This can help you engage with your audience and promote your upcoming content. So there you have it, 17 plus 2 bonus strategies to boost your YouTube views. Remember, success on YouTube isn't achieved overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of experimenting. But with these strategies in your arsenal, you're well on your way to increasing your views and growing your YouTube channel.